How's everyone? So today we're gonna unmold our soap that we made the other day, and we're also gonna cut our soap, so stay tuned for that. And also, if you're new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also leave a like. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming by and watching my videos. I hope you'll like the content that I put out and you'll consider subscribing to my channel. That way I can bring out more content like this, soap making, small business related things. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so we're going to unmold this one first. Alright guys, so we're all done. I think we got like 40 bars of soap from the 4 batches we had. Yeah, exactly 40 bars of soap. So we're gonna let it cure for about 4 to 6 weeks, and then it will be ready for use. I will be bringing in more soap making videos, so if you're interested in that, please go ahead and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload another video. But that is all for my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next one. Amahoro.